Start recording as well. Okay. The sign of KC is sometimes handled separately. What do I mean by that? Is that, for example, the controller software will not allow you to enter a minus, a negative proportional constant, but you need one. Okay? That means you will have a separate checkbox somewhere, and you will indicate that KC is positive or negative by calling it either direct acting controller. So it's a terminology for the controller. Direct acting means positive input. Positive input results in positive change. Not controller, actually. It's actually a system terminology. So we call the system direct acting if a positive input to the system results in positive change in y of t. In y of t. And reverse acting. Reverse acting. If a positive input results in negative change. Negative change in y of t. So that really affects the sign of KC, and you can determine from whether the system is reverse acting or direct acting what's the sign of KC, and sometimes you will have a checkbox to indicate which type of a system this is. Okay. All right. So thanks for the time. Bugün biraz böyle ne bileyim kendimi tutuk hissediyorum ama sizin şimdi midterm sınavınız mı var arkadaşlar 402'den?
Evet hocam.
Hadi bakalım, başarılar diliyorum. Yarın sabah görüşmek üzere. Kendinize dikkat edin.
Teşekkür ederim
Görüşürüz.
hocam. Görüşürüz.